We will move to the other topic, which is variables and data types. Okay, so in the MATLAB, the data types are assigned automatically. So by default, it will be double. Okay, and for by default, numbers are treated as a numeric value. So let's say we will take example. So I will write here create, or better I will go with the command window this time. So let's say I have given a equals to 10. Okay, enter, and b equals to 12.5, enter. Now this value, whatever we have entered here, the numeric value, it will be stored here with the under name, and you can see the data type is having double. Okay, similarly for b also it is having a double. Okay, now we will try some other examples. So for example, text data. Okay, so text data can be stored using character arrays or the string types. So for example, if you want to store some text data, let's say I will type one example, NAME name equals to, and for this you can use a single quotes or a double quotes, both you can use. So first I will show you with the single quote, car. Okay, then semicolon, enter, and then after string, for string we will use str equals to double quotes automobile. Okay, double quotes, then enter. Now just check the in the workspace. So here you can see this car is having character type. Okay, and str for this automobile, it is having a string type because we have defined this automobile with the string, and for this car we have defined with the name, so it is present with the character, and automobile is present with the string value. Okay, now we will discuss some logical representations. Okay, so logical values are also supported in this particular MATLAB. So for example, I will type flag 1 equals to true. Okay, enter. Flag 2 equals to false, enter, then check. So here we need to check, okay, some criteria, equals to bracket 5 is greater than 2, whether 5 is greater than 2 or not. Okay, I will give one comment, give 1 for true condition. Okay, for true, or okay, now enter. So here you can see in the logical it is giving 1, which means 5 is greater than 2. And if you want to check whether this is a logical or not, you can simply go to this flag 1, flag 2, and then after check. So check, you can see this is also logical. So it is checking two logics, okay, whether 5 is greater than 2 or not, true or false, it is checking. Now logical, this is also having logical values. Okay, conditions we have given here. Now uh, you can also convert between strings and the numbers. Okay, so for example, I will type num equals to str to double, double double, in bracket I will give 1 2 3 bracket close, then enter, and txt equals to num to str string. Okay, bracket 4 5 6 bracket close, enter. So here what we have done, we have converted string to number. Okay, now if you want to check, you can check here, like go to number, where is number, here. So just double click, so see it is double type. Okay, Here we have changed to string to double, so it is double value. Now you want to check text. Go to text. So it is having character type. So it is converted into number to string. 456 is converted into character string. Okay. Now CLC for clean this window, command window, and if you type clear all, so it will clear all the things. Okay. Now some CLC. Okay. So this makes the MATLAB flexible in handling. Okay. So different types of datas. Okay. So now that's cover the MATLAB interface, commands window, script creations, and arithmetic operations and the variable types. So in the next video, we will continue exploring arrays, matrices, and plotting some graphs and keeping practicing this basics. Okay. So as they are the foundation for the everything you will do in the MATLAB. Okay. Thank you.